What? You had to make sure you got a better shot of yourself. Mind you, you're the one that handed me the camera, the phone, and told me to videotape you. What are you doing? You setting up props? Let me know when I'm done. Yeah. Was that the MO band? Yeah. Yay! Take a bow. Yay! You going for an encore? Yeah. Oh, you're funny. Yeah. I don't think the rock stars have pacifiers. They run kind of old, so they may have diapers, but I don't think that they have pacifiers. Yeah? You want me to send it to Steven Tyler? Yeah? Okay, girls, looking at the next American Idol. Say bye-bye. Yeah, Mo.